Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your very own Google Space so you can have your own space to talk with colleagues and teammates. To begin, we're going to open up gmail.com, and as you can see, I've covered multiple videos on gmail.com. It is quite a powerful website, but at the moment we're going to be using Google Spaces. So while we let that load, I would like to say that we are doubling our upload consistency, so you guys can watch more and more tech tutorials on what problems you have. Once again, if you have any problems, be sure to comment them down below. From here, we're going to go to Spaces on the left side, and we're going to press on New Space. From here, we're going to press on Create a Space. You're going to create your space name, Project A, your description. This is the space for Project A. Next up, you can add people you want into your email list. It can be, for instance, at Jonathan Odabaya 2000. Sorry. It can be Gary Jr. 12 at gmail.com, etc. Once you have it done, you can create it. Sorry, this one's invalid. And you can create your space. I have to do that one more time. 1 second. As you can see, we're going to press on create, and you've successfully created your first own Google Spaces. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.